The lightning spark of thought generated in the solitary mind awakens its likeness in another mind. Light is our great provider and one of the most powerful tools in affecting the mood and energy of space. Conveniently, glass is unsurpassed as a medium in the artistic exploration of light.
It is our intention to offer a spiritual experience to the viewer on the most subtle of levels by using glass and light as materials to harness energy and mood.
This residency is all about experimentation.
Oh my God.
We brought a lot of materials with us. We brought a lot of potential starting points with us, put it all on the table, and threw it all at the wall. I think that's balanced enough. What I have here are some of Karen's little Mies van der Rohe inspired sculptures. They're part of this little Curiosities series that we're making. So it's just kind of like little glassy objects that are generally really small and focus on color and light.
What's special about this is the place and that you're in the middle of the woods. It's kind of almost like a retreat in a way as well. I like the work to be healing on some level or beneficial in some way, and so humans are naturally drawn to the phi ratio, which is 1:1.618, and I think it's great to work within that ratio, so that you're sort of ensuring it's like an inbuilt balance or some sense of perfection in the work. So all of these drawings are based on phi. We've been using these drawings to scratch into glass when they're shown like a little, maybe a foot out from the wall or something. You'll get that pattern reflected on the wall.
We are still, very loose and creative, but giving ourselves some limitations and some boundaries, working almost in a similar way to a lot of graphic designers, in building a system of rules and then working within that helps to focus the mind and yield some really beautiful results.
Cold working and cutting and using flat glass is not that it's unfamiliar to us, but it's not what we normally do. So I think that in itself probably led us to some unusual conclusions for what we're used to making and working with.
This residency was an opportunity for us to start to really hash out a conversation about what we're interested in doing together and build starting points for our future as collaborators in this project. Using a residency to collaborate together, again, is definitely our intention as soon as possible. This piece is a rear projection system that's going through a kaleidoscope that we built. There's a series of mirrors inside of this structure, and the video goes through the mirrors, and then when you view the projection from the front, it ends up being this like floating disc of video. Everything that we did was a brand new learning experience for us, from what processes that we were using to how to work together.
I feel like I've gotten so much out of this, and I've had some realizations about my own work through working with John.